Enhance your English, mastering antonyms in context. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today we're diving into an interesting part of the English language, antonyms. Not just learning them, but actually using them in context to enrich your vocabulary and make your conversations more vibrant. Remember, antonyms are words with opposite meanings. Before we start practicing, let's ensure we truly understand what antonyms are. In English, we have pairs of words that mean the opposite of each other. For instance, hot and cold, happy and sad, rise and fall are all examples of antonyms. But why are they important? Well, they help you express contrast, provide a deeper understanding of language, and make your English more dynamic. When it comes to using antonyms in context, we need to focus on recognizing when a sentence or phrase can be altered using an antonym. For example, let's take the sentence, "The weather today is incredibly hot." The word hot here could be replaced by its antonym, cold, to express the exact opposite. The weather today is incredibly cold. Now, let's do some practice. We'll take a sentence, identify a suitable word and replace it with its antonym to convey the opposite meaning. 1. Original. She accepted the proposal with joy. Replaced. She accepted the proposal with sorrow. 2. Original. He was successful in his attempt to climb the mountain. Replaced. He was unsuccessful in his attempt to climb the mountain. Remember, when you replace a word with its antonym, ensure it still makes sense in the context of the sentence. Now that we've practiced together, here's a challenge for you. Try to create your own sentences and then change their meaning by replacing words with their antonyms. This will not only help reinforce what you've learned, but also build your confidence in using antonyms effectively. We've covered quite a bit in this session. We hope that this understanding and practice of antonyms will help you to diversify your English vocabulary and communicate more effectively. Keep practicing and keep exploring the amazing world of English language. Until next time, happy learning!